Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th of January. And first of all, national news. BJP National Executive meeting in Delhi on January 16 to 17. Experts from Army removed live bombshell from Chandigarh site. Arunachal Pradesh got a strategic bridge leading to China border. Anti-conversion law, not all religious conversions are illegal, Supreme Court remarked. We do not believe in war, but if it is forced upon us, we'll fight, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Those enjoying benefits of permanent membership clearly not in hurry to see UN reforms, Jaishankar. Constitution a living document capable of incorporating changing aspirations of people, President. Government has pipeline of 44 port projects worth 22,900 crore till 2024 to 25. Sarbananda Sonowal. Focus on emerging sciences. Convert knowledge to bring change to everyday life. PM. State not vicariously liable for hurtful statements of ministers. No need for greater restrictions on ministers' right to free speech. Supreme Court. Delhi High Court seeks Centre NHAI's response to plea against collection of double toll tax from non-fast-tech commuters. China didn't observe agreements with the India on border issue, tried to unilaterally change LAC, Jaishankar. Now Aadhaar holders can update addresses online with consent of head of family. Kerala governor approved CM's recommendation to re-induct Saji Cherian as minister. Cold wave conditions prevail over several regions in North India. And now some international news. Taliban seek economic self-sufficiency, foreign investment for Afghanistan. EU offered China free vaccines amid COVID surge. Ukraine's young acrobats perform in Budapest after training during war. Indian American woman got re-elected as Texas county judge, created history. Global anti-terror body FATF may grey-list Nepal for money laundering. China has unilaterally tried to change LAC, S. Jaishankar. Entry restrictions targeting only Chinese travelers. Beijing hit out. Russia attacked Ukraine with a drone stampede with Happy New Year. South Korea fined Tesla $2.2 million for false advertising. Zelensky said Russia planned protracted drone campaign to exhaust Ukraine. Now sports news. Manika Batra reached career high as 35 in ITTF world rankings. No grudges as Novak Djokovic felt the love in Australia. I'm not done yet. Tennis legend Martina Navratilova remained upbeat despite cancer battle. Injured MR Arjun to miss Malaysia Open but eyeing win in Thailand to set up Olympic qualification. Saudi Arabia's Al Nassr look to Galacticos era after signing Cristiano Ronaldo. See you soon. Cristiano Ronaldo set for heroes welcome in Saudi Arabia. Jasprit Bumrah returned from injury, included in ODI squad for SL series. Now business related news. Sensex Nifty trade higher in closing session. Rupee declined 8 paise to close at 82.86 against US dollar. ONGC Indian Oil emerged as top profit-making public sector firms in 2001 to 22. SBI to raise another $1.2 billion through infrastructure bonds, officials. SEBI asked OYO to refile draft IPO papers with updates public issue may get delayed. Airtel announced rollout of 5G services in Indore. Center raised windfall, profit tax on crude oil, diesel exports, new rates to apply from January 3. SBI, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank continued to be too big to fail, RBI. And news from science and technology. Elon Musk SpaceX raising $750 million in fresh round of funding at $137 billion valuation, a report said. Autopsies showed COVID virus lingers in brain for months, a study said. Potential naked eye comet to make close approach to Earth in February. And that's all in news. Thank you.